Nana Mauson, Moto, would be out be a friend of TapTap song. I don't know. Up no, where you say, Sebi, Omo Bemaniska woman, a foul 2 4 a comfort noche. Be at the phone call 1 year. On also trust no who say adea 7 new ray a sumbo nti on also a comfort noche okuta 150,000 7 on my comfort noche na no pound so 7 okuta na why pentu miensa snap pentu nsia and then the gin whiskey and you born 1 day. Nana born 1 day. I am also born 1 day. So that one. What you will maybe Malacoso.
I'll mix the two in the English. Okay. So my name is Malto and great to meet you. So I come from Picky. And I've lived in London for the last 21 years. And what I've spent most of my time doing is creating diaspora to send money back home. What we haven't done is people haven't been able to support projects back home. So they send money back to their people to build houses and to invest in land. But what we have created is allow to use some of our own profits to invest into projects. And some of my team come from the kingdom, so they decided that we should support some of the projects that you're working on, so we decided to make a donation to the Financial Hospital project. But on top of that, we also decided that actually we will create a way in the app so that any Asante person who lives, or anybody who lives in the diaspora, can directly invest into any of the projects that you are passionate about. So we are very certain that it would help drive more help and more investment and more funds into the projects that you're passionate about. So we came to tell you about it because we're excited by it, and we hope that it will generate a lot of funds for the projects that you care about and also help the kingdom in total. Because I firmly believe that most of the development that we will see in our country in the next 10 years will come from people like us who have moved away but sending money back every month. It could be £5, it could be £10, it could be, and if some of that is going into projects that are key to the kingdom, then the kingdom would go forward. So thank you very much for the audience. And that's it.
Joe.
Joe.
So Makwaba, no deal for no see, the minister of the employee had to be a performance with Bishop, and Bermuda Catters now, Roman classes, we know they're not in kind. So we are probably we do one more because we have one of the guys. So that's
thank you.
So what's up, man?